Okay, this is Disrespected Parent, Suffolk County, Long Island again. Just posting information for people who are in front of Judge Theresa Whelan in family court. On August 20th of 2010, I asked for her recusal due to a predisposed bias. And the bias that she has is her own children. She has adopted 2 children many years ago that were confiscated from an abusive home. And she and her husband, Thomas Whelan, the judge who's been in the paper all year for corruption in 2014, used their political connections to force the adoption through quicker. This bias for the children that they adopted being confiscated from an abused home via, although they were adopted from Russia, has affected her ability to make decisions against people who are accused of abusing and neglecting their children. This bias, as I equated it to finally getting an attorney to agree to disqualify her, is to the same effect as if a male judge, his wife, his daughter, his sister, or mother was ever sexually assaulted or raped, and somebody had come across their bench accused of those actions. Now, as humans, we already have a personal bias against anybody who has been charged or alleged that they have abused or neglected their children or sexually assaulted anybody, man, woman, or child. It is a natural thing to despise these actions. And when you have a family relationship in which these actions did occur, especially your own children, and your love and affection in order to be sure that children who are in a situation like that get a better place, a better home, this affects your decision against those people who are accused of that. And to be a family court judge steadily making decisions against or with the relation of allegations of child abuse and neglect when your own children have come from that in their own history, it shows and it has a more bias than you can ignore. You are hypersensitive to it, and this causes you to make decisions that may not be true. And this is why she was recused from my case on August 20th, 2010. And this is why, if you have her as a judge and you feel she is making decisions against you with no just cause at all, that is her predisposed bias, and you should ask for her recusal on those grounds. It is a predisposed bias because of her own children and the relationship in which they were adopted. I hope this may help anybody who is having issues with this particular judge. I would ask that anybody who has a parental rights group request for her to be moved and transferred out of the family court. She can hear other cases, but not cases with neglect or abuse towards children. Anyway, Disrespected Father, just another video. Hope it helps somebody.